Hello, I'm Dr. Daniel Farkas, DC. I'm a certified functional medicine practitioner, and I wanted to take a couple minutes and talk about post-COVID recovery. We have people contact our office with questions about their post-COVID recovery and what they can do to help themselves. A lot of their concerns have to do certainly with respiratory issues, concerns about future respiratory issues, but things like neuropathy, anxiety, depression, sleep issues, hormonal problems, digestive issues that come as lingering effects after COVID. Some have had just the effect of being in the hospital or just the stress of fighting off the illness, that now that they're different than they were before and they're concerned about the future. A lot of times they seem to wonder, like, what if? Like, is this going to come back? Am I more susceptible to another different type of problem in the future? What's going to happen to me? And what if I don't do the right thing right now? Is there something that I need to do to supercharge my immune system or assess it? Or, what can I do moving forward? And unfortunately, a lot of those questions are not going to get answered, frankly, from the ordinary medical world. They're there to do the important job of keeping people alive. But then after that, that's where specialty practices like ours step in. So I just want you to know that there is a solution, there is a way, and there is a path, and there is a plan that uses science. It's a science-based approach, but that uses all natural things, which most people want at this point. They want an all-natural approach that's founded in science. So here in this clinic, the mantra here is, we don't guess, we test. We don't just guess about, try some vitamin D, try a probiotic, try a vitamin. That's not good enough, and not good enough for our clients. We don't guess, we test. We use specialized testing to assess the systems that were damaged by COVID. The gastrointestinal system, which I got to tell you, the digestive system in the gut, that's where the immune system actually lives. That's its seat, that's its foundation. Assessing the gut, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the reproductive system, the hormonal system, and the stress balance system too. All of these can be assessed using some specialized testing that you probably won't find in an ordinary doctor's office. What goes along with that, I have to tell you something that's very important, is to take the time to get to know the person, what their health history was pre-COVID, what their COVID experience was like, and the recovery is like, but to assess them where they are at now in order to come up with an all-natural, science-based plan to get them back into balance and get their health back on track, to use things that are all natural, but use the right things with precision that are legitimate and that are actually contained in the things that they're supposed to in order to promote health, to rebuild the immune system, and to just put its guard up as good as possible and get the potential out of it. I feel that everyone has a health potential. If you're alive, you have health potential. You have the potential to increase and to supercharge immune system. It's amazing what the body will do when it's given the right things, but the right information and the right approach with the special time set down to understand each individual person is available. I want you to know that we help people virtually. People we talk to on the phone, FaceTime, Skype, email. We're able to help people no matter where you are. We can find you some help near you if we can't help you in order to get you back on track. I was a very close friend of mine, great mentor, spiritual mentor of mine. She was stricken with COVID. She was on a ventilator and she did survive. So we're able to give her some natural help too as well. So I'm Dr. Daniel Farkas. I want to let you know that have hope. That there is a natural approach. Please message us, get in contact with me. There should be some contact information attached to this video very close by, and hope you stay well. Thanks.